Day 114 of running every day. Good morning. 6:49 a.m. Let's go. 6:57, 1K. 7:11, 3K. 7:19, 4K. 36 minutes, 5.01K. Feb 20, 2026, 7:31 a.m. This is day 114 of running every day. Let's go. Buy some breakfast. 9:02, time to cook. $10:15, done cooking.